There's a celebrity ship right there. I wonder where it's sailing to. I wonder which celebrity that is. I see the X on it. Yes, I was dressed in the Viking crown. And now I came down here because I saw the cruise ship. At the moment I saw the cruise ship from the window in the Viking crown, I flew right down here to see if I can figure out what ship it is. It is a celebrity ship because when I zoomed in on it with my camera, I saw an X on the an X on the funnel. So it is a celebrity ship. I just don't know which one it is. Alright, this ship you're looking at right now, excuse the wind, I'm trying to keep the camera still. This looks to be either the Disney Dream or the Disney Fantasy. I'm thinking it could be the Disney Dream or something. Yeah, you know what? That could most likely be the Disney Dream. Because you know, that does not look like a Royal Caribbean. No, that's Princess. That, I just saw the Sea Witch logo. That looks to be I guarantee that's the Regal Princess. Yeah, you know what? Yeah, that's Regal Princess. I remember that game really well. I'm playing the game called the Gaga, where basically you pick a ball at each other by hand, and then you gotta get whacked by the ball. If you get whacked by it, you're out. I basically in summer camp several times. Alright, so it's currently 10:30. I'm sitting out on the very front of the ship. I'm relaxing because it's very quiet up front here. And I'm going to probably go to bed here in like an hour. Because I got to be up early tomorrow morning to get off the ship tomorrow morning. So I'm on Facebook on my phone, right? And there was some incident involving the Freedom of the Seas. The Freedom of the Seas was in Port Everglades today on April 8th of 2018. And there was a truck parked next to the ship that contained explosives. So that delayed the Freedom's departure because had the bomb squad there and the ship got evacuated. So, but the Freedom of the Seas did leave. And now it's on its way to its first port of call. Alright, I'm back inside the ship on deck 5. The Central deck, or the deck. And now the line of guest services logged. Now this is why I always tell you guys to close your accounts earlier so you don't have to wait in a long line. That's what I do. Alright, it's 11:15 now. I'm gonna go back to the room because I need to start packing a little bit. So, I'll see you guys back on deck 2. I went on the elevator now. Alright, I'm back on deck 2. Look, they have, now they got more luggage out, and now they're actually coming around now to actually collect all the luggage. It's a sad part of a cruise, just getting off the ship tomorrow, back at the home port. Okay, I'm back at the room. I'm gonna wrap up day 3. So I need to go and pack really quick and get ready for tomorrow morning. So I'll see you guys in the morning on Debarking Day back in Miami. Alright, what's up guys? It's day 8. Day 8. That's day 3. It's day 4. There we go. Alright, so we're going to Windjammer to get breakfast. Then we'll start proceeding to get off the ship. So I'll see you up at the Windjammer. Sorry the camera's all foggy. I'm gonna land so I get inside the Windjammer. Well, here's Miami. And here's an empty ship. Or an empty pool deck. There we go, that looks a lot better. I'm gonna go inside the windjammer now and get breakfast, and then I'm gonna start disembarking afterwards. Alright, here's my last breakfast on board Enchantment of the Seas. Waffles, bagel lox, a piece of French toast, one donut, and some hash browns. And over there is the Empress of the Seas, the one that was in Nassau with us the other day. Alright, wrapped up breakfast. Gonna begin to proceed down to the gangways here to disembark the ship. Alright, let's take one last look at this. We are just at Windjammer. We are proceeding to the gangways to disembark the ship. And we have other ships in port with us today too. I already showed you Empress of the Seas. She's sitting across the port. Let's take one last look at this, and then we will be inside the ship again, only to proceed over to the gangways to get off. Just made to the elevators, now we gotta go to deck 5 to disembark the ship. Just click the button. There it goes, now clicked. Alright, so we need to go to deck 4 to disembark. So we're just gonna walk down one flight of stairs there, it's no problem. Alright, so we're changing that to the elevator instead. It's easier on my grandma if you take the elevator. Alright, we are now walking over to get off the ship. Oh, you know, we boarded on deck 4. And now we had to go to Customs and Declaration. We have Carnival Sensation in port today as well. Yeah, we have 2 carnivals in today. We have Carnival Sensation and Carnival Victory in the port with us as well. Yeah. I believe also Norwegian Sky. Alright, now I'm going to shut the camera off. We are back inside the terminal. Alright, just made it out of Customs. So that's going to wrap up these vlogs. So I'll see you guys on the next cruise. Yeah, I will, yeah. Alright, so as I was saying, these vlogs will wrap it up. So I'll see you on the next cruise.